this paper. Find my face. There you go. Whoa.
Charlie's almost catching up to Kelvin for height. Girls, I want you to line up from shortest to tallest. Other way. And Kelvin, right there, yep, stand right there. And get Charlie, Kelvin, get Charlie next to you. And then take a picture.
Hey, Kelvin, come back here.
Stand right next to Charlie.
Me?
You go over there. You're the tallest. Asia, go the other way. The other way, yep. Take a picture, quick. Look in the camera.